Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share with you English speaking, lot of the things for English learning. First of all, if you want to try to speak English language, so one basic problem, maybe you have faced this problem, you have encountered this problem. So first, this problem name is translating in Hindi, then try to speak English. First, you are doing to translate in Hindi, like jump, it means kudna. Then you are trying to speak English before translating, before and after translating. So please avoid this thing, because this thing is a never, this is the never, and this is a never become a good thing, good way to speak this language, to learn this language. This thing is a totally wrong, not for me but also a lot of the great persons, English professionals, speakers, English learning, English tutors. So many professional English tutors says that this thing is a totally bad, this way is a totally bad for English speaking, for English learning. So please forget, please avoid this thing, because this is a not for you. First of all, if you want to try to speak English language, this problem is a common problem. So how can you get rid this problem, how can you overcome this problem? So firstly, 4 and 5 things I come to you to tell you. 4 5 things are very important to avoid this thing, and better day by day you can improve your English day by day better. So first of all, firstly, one thing, like please try to it means try to visualizations the words, don't do to translate the word. Please avoid the translate word and start visualization in English. Like suppose that you are doing like any activity like a jump, then don't think that what is the vocabularies in Hindi meaning jump. You realize, you visualize that jump meaning is the, in your come in your mind, that uchalna, like one person, he's a jump, like this kind of the sentences, this kind of the scenario is running out, should running out in your mind. This is a good way. And if you translate the vocabularies in Hindi meaning, then this is a bad way to speak English language. So please avoid this. And second, don't remember the harsh vocabularies, don't remember the complex vocabularies. Please try to remember the daily basis vocabularies, easy vocabularies, simple city vocabularies. Don't remember, don't memorize the lot of the harsh vocabularies, lot of the unpredictable and unclear vocabularies, which vocabularies you cannot pronounce basically and not pronounce easily. So please avoid these vocabularies. Try to word and word meanings, and remember the word meanings, like a simple vocabularies, which vocabularies use in your daily life. Like most of the communication, negotiation, when you negotiate with other person, then this kind of the vocabularies will use, this kind of the vocabularies you will have to remember. This vocabularies assist you to remember and speak this language very proficiently, very confidently, to do to this thing. Okay, so and third is a, please keep up patience and practice. Please keep up practice and patience, as well as patience. You know, when you regularly doing practice, consistently doing practice, then your English will good, English will better day by day 1%. I'm told this kind of this scenario my previous video, you know. So this kind of the thing is very important, you know. When you day by day continuously practice, regularly practice, then your English increase, then your English level, your pronunciation, your mind is stuck, your mind is not stuck to any vocabularies, your mind don't think that what I say, what you think. So this kind of thing is very important. Keep a patience and practice, regular to do practice, and keep a patience, because patience is very important. Because when you are 6 months, 1 year doing practice, then you will become a professional speaker in English speaking, and then your English will looks like very professional, like you are a very native person, you are a very native speaker to speak this language. You know, this kind of the way you can easily get rid this problem to translate in Hindi, then you are think in English, you know. And think, and as well as try to think and observe the English learners English podcast. When you think and listen, both of things is a very important. Think in English and listening English. When you hear the vocabularies, like idioms, phrases, lot of the meanings of the words, and think in English and listen the English, then you are try to think and observe the English. When you are going to the market, then maybe suppose that you are listening the one vocabularies and one phrases, maybe lot of the phrases available, so you think and observe the vocabularies, which vocabularies is set your mind, which vocabulary is set your mind when you hear the vocabulary. Okay, so this is a very important. And the fourth is a don't try है ना, don't try to avoid the mistakes. Comes the mistake, because when you doing lot of the mistakes, then you may become a capable to, you will become a eligible to speak this language. Okay, because mistakes is a doing, and mistake is a very common. Don't be afraid to mistakes, because mistake is a very common. Please try to doing mistake, not a very initially, not very subsequently, like, but you can try to speak English language, then mistakes automatically happen with you. So this is a very natural, and in your initial days this problem is a very common. So please try to speak language and encounter the problems of the making mistakes. This kind of the way you can easily learn this language. And you know that listening is a very important, listening is a totally important. Anyone childhood baby, like a childhood baby, through of the listening, he can learn this language, he can learn his native language. So this is a very good way to speak this language. So thank you for watching till the end. I'll meet again next video. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thank you.